I'm ready for class.
Okay, pay close attention. This is a tricky one.
Is he joking? I'm not that clever. Hold on. What are you doing? Oh, Butler.
You yelled, ma'am. Allow me.
I hope this works. I can't do it!
Huh?
What is she doing? I'm so smart now. Check this out. It's so easy. You can applaud now.
She's an idiot.
I know the answer. Huh? It's wrong?
You know what? Well done.
Oh, thank you. Is that for me? That's so kind. Are you kidding me? I give up. This is my lucky pencil. Ugh, so sad. Butler, get in here.
Your pencils, ma'am. The finest on the market. We can't forget your notebooks. I think that's everything.
You did a great job. Maybe I'll give you a raise. Now go.
Ugh.
I better get my notebook. I keep it in here. Huh? What's this? A juicy lemon. I'll keep that for later. What's so funny? That's where you keep your books? Hey, everyone!
I hope I'm not late. Better get my books. This toilet is so handy. There's so much space. I love it.
I prefer my mannequin. You don't know? It's no school bag day. Not so funny now, huh? Say what? I don't believe it. No one told me. This is so embarrassing.
It's test day! I hope you studied. It's a tough one.
I'm so not happy about this.
What are you waiting for?
Let's do this! I'm gonna fail. I need help. Butler, get in here!
Look what I've got! A special delivery!
A pizza?
This is no ordinary pizza. I cooked it up myself.
Wow! That's genius!
I thought you'd like it. What are you doing? Get out of here! Gotta go.
Wait, come back!
I'm going nowhere.
I knew you wouldn't let me down.
This'll be fun. Vroom vroom. It's got a custom paint job. I wish I had a driver's license.
Nice parking. This is perfect. Good job.
I aim to please.
Maybe I'll pass after all. I'm so sneaky. Huh? What's that? You're cheating? I wanna see. Hey! Stop it! This is my work. Aw, you're mean. Wait a second.
I can't lose the answers.
I need that book. But how? Aha! This should do it. Let's do this. How? Right on target. That was easier than I thought. Huh? Hold on. Hey, back off. This is all mine. What is going on? I have no idea what she's doing. Oh, look!
I want you to take notes. That should be pretty simple. What do you think?
I wasn't expecting that. I better get started. What do I need? A pen? No, that won't do. Ah! I know. I have just the thing. This'll solve everything. I'll run it over the book. It's highlighting the words. Just what I need. It's so easy. All done. I'm so glad I have this. Ugh. That's so tragic. Tape is so last season. This is what you need. I've got every color I could want. Whoa! It's glorious! What should I use? Look at those pens! I'll go for pink. No! She wouldn't! Let's mix it up. I'll go for yellow next. Wow! Look at that action! It's so pretty! Thanks for that. It's like a rainbow. Oh, my book is so boring. Whatever. I still like it.
What have you done? You've ruined the book!
What are you talking about?
Look at the sign. You know the rules.
I'm sure we can come to an agreement. What do you say?
What? No way.
But it's money! Oh, I'm telling Daddy.
Detention! And you.
Huh? I didn't do anything wrong.
Is that pen?
No! Relax! You need to see this. It's tape. Look! I can peel it off. It's as good as new.
Oh, that's okay.
I knew you'd like it. Oh, this is so unfair. There's only one thing for it. Give me the tape. Here you go. Oh, thanks. This is actually quite good. Does that mean we're besties? I'm so bored. Oh, here's the teacher.
Hello, class. This is today's lesson.
I better get my notebook. Ah, here it is. Now I can start. Oh, give me a second. Got it! I'm ready. Glad I came prepared.
What the? I just have one sheet of paper. This'll have to do.
This doesn't make sense.
What is that? Oh, no you don't. I need that. Where is your notebook? I don't have one.
This is a disgrace. I'll show you!
Did that really happen? I want my money!
Wow, I didn't expect that. Oh no, this is bad. I'm out of paper. What am I gonna do? Hey, Meg? What is it? Oh, right. Wait there. I'll tear a sheet out. This won't take long. What are you doing? Just watch this. You'll love it. I'll fold the page over. I'll do the same at the bottom. It's like origami. I need to fold it all together. Then I can slip this sheet over it. Just like this. That should do it. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? Wow, that's amazing! You're the best! I'll open it back up. Wow, a blank page! Now I can finish the work. The teacher will never know. Thanks for this.
Time is almost up. Oh, I'm tired.
Hang on. Try that again. Forget it. School is tough. That's why we've come up with these awesome hacks to make your day easier. What's your best tip for school? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.